The Niagara Gorge Bike Trail is a beautiful and dramatic bike ride that passes through 3 state parks and a lot of history along its 6-mile length. Our ride starts at Devil's Hole State Park and ends at Goat Island and Niagara Falls State Park. At Devil's Hole, check out the overlook of the Niagara River and the New York Power Authority site before hitting the trail. The trail parallels the Niagara River and Niagara Scenic Parkway. Not far down the trail is the Whirlpool State Park. The Aero Car is a Canadian attraction that opened in 1916 and provides a great view of the river and whirlpool below. The trail is nicely maintained and landscaped. This is the Take a Smile, Leave a Smile mural by Nate Riley. From here, you get the first view of the falls. The trail passes through the Aquarium of Niagara and their Great Lakes 360 facility, which has a number of interactive exhibits and a nice observation deck on top. Here's the Rainbow International Bridge to Canada. The next point of interest is the Schellkopf Power Station site, which is where the world's largest hydroelectric plant was destroyed when the cliff collapsed in 1956. Pass through the door to the elevator that takes you down almost 200 feet to the river below. This is a photo of the power plant before its collapse. The mural depicts the history of this tragedy. Here is what the cliffs look like today. This This is also the dry dock site for the Maid of the Mist tour boats. Niagara Falls is America's oldest state park. The state park provides a shuttle service. This is the Niagara Falls Visitor Center. The observation tower at Prospect Point is a good vantage point to observe the falls and Maid of the Mist boats on the river. Take the bridge to Goat Island for some additional views of the falls and river. After dark, the Niagara Falls Illuminations is presented. Here we finish our visit to the Niagara Falls Gorge. Thank you for watching.